My full name is MD Bashir Ahmed, and you can call me Siam.
What do you do?
I'm an auditor at Firm Dominance Group. Uh, I audit financial transactions and our internal.
Where do you live?
Currently, I live in Dhaka, mm, just near Hatirki, and my hometown is Chatpur.
Do you think your city is very interesting?
Mm, yes, as we know, Dhaka is a very crowded city, and it has everything to offer us. Um, Good things, bad things. So we get so different experience from it, and that's what makes it interesting.
Is there anything you dislike about the city?
There's two things. One is traffic jam, and two is pollution. As we know, Dhaka is hugely crowded, so um, the people is everywhere, and to accommodate these people, government took some construction and it increases our air pollution. So yeah, I hate that.
Let's talk about meeting places. Where is your favorite place to meet with your friends?
Mhm. I always try to meet with my friends at a tea stall because it's like an open place and we can chat about anything. We can spend our time as much as we want. Um, we can have some tea, some cakes. So I always try to meet with my friends in a tea stall or a coffee shop.
Uh, do you think there are some places more suitable for meeting with others?
Sorry, I didn't get a question.
Do you think there are some places more suitable for meeting with others?
It depends on the perspective. If it's a business meeting, so um, in this case, people can meet in a cozy place like a high-end coffee shop or a restaurant, a hotel, and for that it should be restaurant parks and mm, for people like us and who always meet with their friends, it can be anywhere. So it's all about perspective and what it is, what it is for.
Are there any difference between your favorite meeting place in the present and your childhood?
I grew up in a restricted family, so mm, I only I I can only meet with my friends mm, at my school. There was no other options, and I met with them just in my schools and in playground. So nowadays, I always try to mm, meet with my friends in a tea stall or at a park. In particular, in yes,
Why are some meeting places better than others?
as I said earlier, it's about what that specific place has to offer. Like if we need mm, a bit long time, then it should be outside of a business place. And for short meeting, we can um, people can use a business place for meeting. So it depends on um, the need.
Mm, okay, so let's talk about advertisements. So, where do you see advertisements in your locality?
Mm, at at my place,
What where I live right now, it's a crowded place, so um, I saw advertisement only on the upper side of a store or a signboard or a banner. There are some advertisement. Mm, that's it, I think.
Do you like the advertisements?
Actually, no, I'm not. I'm not fond of advertisement cause I think it gives us misinformation and sometimes it's maybe telling us some lies. So no, I don't.
Okay. Do you think advertisements influence people to buy something?
Absolutely, it does. It it creates a mm, it it creates a psychological thinking we where we think um, it is a good product what we want to buy just because it feed the person who advertise, but as we all know it's not good for us or everyone, so I think it does.
Okay, your part on session is over. You have your cue card in your group. Just check it out. Describe something you do regularly that helps you work and study better. Did you get it?
Yes, I did.
Your speaking is preparation time starts now. Yes, your preparation time's up. Now let's start.
Okay. About the topic, um, whenever I work or study, I always listen some specific podcast where people explain some idea or skills or um, some motivations, which helps me a lot. And I usually I usually listen to the podcast whenever I get some times, and I also try to listen it when I am at work because it keeps me it it keeps me awake to my work, and I can concentrate better. And there is a lot of podcast I usually um, listen. Some podcast which is um, about how to learn new skills, new thoughts, new ideas, and it helps me to generate new things for my work. And about study, I always try to watch some YouTube video where whenever I get stuck with a study or can't understand it, I go to YouTube or some.
Thank you.
Um,
Your speaking session is over. Sorry, your cue card session is over. Let's talk about some follow-up questions. What kinds of jobs need patience?
mm, mm, More or less, it's what all jobs need patience. But um, for me, one of the top jobs that need patience is customer support, where people usually call customer support when they face some problem, and they usually angry about it. So they may say
lot of bad things, but as a professional, the job holder needs to uh, do his job, his or her job.
Do you think people need to be patient in their free time?
Mm, about their free time, sorry, I didn't actually get it. Uh,
Do you,
can you please?
do you think parents should allow their children to do whatever they want to do in their free time?
No, absolutely not. Parents should teach children to do uh, what they like or what they want to do, but it has to be negotiations with the society, with uh, parents and child. Um, Child should not do anything can that made them look bad to our society and to others. So they can only learn the things they need for a better future, but not what they want. No one should. No one should uh, get to do what they want.
What is the routine of people in your country? Sorry, this is
Mm,
the question, not about the related. Okay, so drop it out.
okay.
What do you like to do in your spare time?
In my spare time, I always watch sports, and as you can see, I'm a Chelsea fan, so I always try to watch Chelsea games. I always try to um, watch other sports like cricket, football, hockey, and I go out with my friends. I watch movies with my family. So that's what I do.
Do you think people need to be patient in their free time?
Mm, I I don't know how to answer this question because um, I can connect free time and patience. Like, can you please explain something? Like,
Okay, in your description, no problem. I'll do later.
okay,
Your speaking session is over and your speaking band is 5.5. First of all, you made some mistakes with your um, answers. Like first, everyone knows. You said everyone know something about that. Everyone knows. I grew
okay,
up in a family. I grew up, not grow up. I grew up. Clear. It's about past
okay.
tense. I grew up. Uh, why are some meeting places are important or is useful better than others? The questions, maybe you said the answer, but facilities, just you said maybe facilities. Is it right?
Yeah,
Facilities.
yeah.
But you can say also some other words like the places, like the
Distance.
yes, rights, some central or the village. Clear. There are many other things you can add. So there was poor. And where can you see or where do you see the advertisements? So upper side of the store. Uh,
Half of the store.
the thing about that is like top of the store.